Now, I want to introduce you to another great thinker. He was born in the 1870s, I believe, and wrote most of his work in the early 1900s. This is from a book in 1910 called The Science of Success by Wallace Wattles. I've summarized or picked out the key points for you from this book. Everything you see on earth is made from one original substance. There's no limit to the supply of this original substance. So just by way of pausing here for a second, he uses the term original substance. You'll also hear him use the term formless substance. You'll also hear him use the term intelligent substance or thinking stuff. All that I bundle under the word mind, in particular subconscious mind. It's invisible. We don't see it. It's unlimited. It's infinite. Everything you see on earth is made from this original substance, from mind. There's no limit to the supply of this original substance. Then he goes on. New forms are constantly being created by this formless substance, and old forms are constantly dissolving. So new things are happening all the time. New circumstances are constantly being created. New energy patterns, everything new is constantly being created, and old forms are constantly dissolving. This thinking stuff, he says, shapes itself around the vibrational patterns of our thoughts. Think about that. Man alone can control it. Let's pause here. This thinking stuff, subconscious mind, whatever you want to call it, formless substance, original substance, this thinking stuff shapes itself around the vibrational patterns of our thoughts. Man alone can control it. This formless stuff is intelligent and seeks only to create. In the same way that the thinking stuff in your body works in magical harmony to make you healthy. So your body is made of mind. It's made of this stuff. Everything you see on earth is made from one original substance, and so are you. You're no different. This body that we have is miraculous in its complexity. We take it for granted, right? But this body is extraordinarily complex, and it's always healing itself. It's always healthy. The systems communicate with each other seamlessly. You don't have to think about it. It's doing its own healing. It works in health. It works to keep you health. So in the same way that the thinking stuff in your body works to harmonize and makes you healthy all the time, in that same way, this formless stuff is intelligent and seeks only to create. And what does it create? It creates around the vibrational pattern of your thoughts. Then he goes on to say, there is no lack. You're not kept poor by lack of riches, but by ignorance of the fact that you control this limitless supply. See, no one has ever explained to us how powerful our thinking is. Words come out of our mouth, negative thinking. Oh, I'm not good at this. I can't do that. I can't do this. All of this is coming out of your subconscious. The words that come out of your mouth, your body language, every little thing about your life is controlled by your subconscious. So that's what your life is, and the universe around you is forming the experiences exactly as you ask for them in your subconscious. Now, why would we limit ourselves? Why would we make ourselves less than we could be? Because we don't know we're doing it. It's all subconscious. Subconscious. We're not even aware of it. There is no lack in this world. You're not kept poor by lack of riches, but by ignorance of the fact that you control this limitless supply. That's Wallace Wattles.